Hey everyone, welcome back to Awais Designs. In today's video, we're diving into the top ways to earn money online in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, I've got some exciting opportunities to explore. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's jump right in. Before we delve into specific methods, let's talk about the online landscape in 2024. The digital economy is booming, with more opportunities than ever. From remote work to online businesses, there's a wide array of possibilities waiting for you. First up, freelancing and remote work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr continue to connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or a social media expert, there's a demand for your skills. Stay tuned for tips on how to stand out in a competitive market. Next on the list is e-commerce and dropshipping. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own e-commerce store or dropshipping business can be lucrative. I'll share some strategies to kickstart your online store and maximize your profits. Affiliate marketing remains a powerful way to earn passive income. I'll walk you through the basics, how to choose the right products, and some advanced strategies to boost your affiliate earnings. Diversifying your income is key. We'll explore smart investing, including stocks, real estate, and other passive income streams. Discover how to make your money work for you while you sleep. That wraps up our guide on how to earn money online in 2024. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, learning, and adapting to the ever-changing digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to make money online. Until next time, this is Awais from Awais Designs. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep hustling. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.